Component list. Tools required. Fitting preparation. Wrap the thread seal tape tightly around the fitting threads for about 10 turns. Install the push fitting by slowly threading it in by hand to avoid cross-threading, then securely tighten it with an adjustable wrench. Plumbing. Turn off the main water inlet valve. Choose a suitable location for installation. Determine the water flow direction. It is crucial to ensure that the incoming water flows into the port marked in. Measure the total length of the product and mark this corresponding distance on your water pipe. Use a pipe cutter to carefully cut and remove the marked section. Use a grinding bit to smooth out the burrs on the cut. System mounting. Secure the wooden backing board to the wall. Use a spirit level to ensure the system is perfectly horizontal. Bypass installation. Install the bypass valve into your plumbing line. Filter installation. Now install the sediment filter. Make sure the O-ring is properly seated in its groove to prevent leaks. Support the filter housing by hand and thread it onto the cap. Hand tighten it first and then finish tightening securely with the provided wrench. Hand tighten the drain valve at the bottom and make sure it is closed. System startup and flushing. Please ensure the bypass valve is fully closed. Slowly open the inlet ball valves on both sides to about a 45-degree angle. Press and hold the pressure relief valve on top until all trapped air is released. Now that the air is fully released, turn both the inlet and outlet ball valves to the fully open position. Finally, flush the system for 10 minutes. Congratulations! You are now ready to enjoy clean water.